And I know I'm in the bathroom, and I'm sorry if it's like really loud. But I did record this before, and my footage in my one appointment got deleted, so that would not be in here. But hey, it's okay. It's okay. We can start it now. Get to the real good, really get it. You know. But yeah, so right now I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to take my hair out. Because my hair appointment is on Friday. Today is Wednesday. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and do it now so I don't have to hurry up and do everything in one day. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. And remember, if you want to see more of me, remember, if y'all want to see more of me, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And just continue to follow me on my YouTube journey. Okay, y'all, so I just finished taking out my hair. And now I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to wash it. And I'll be back with you guys tomorrow for my lashes and my nail appointment. Okay, y'all, so the lady was not there. Well, she told me to wait till 10:30. Oh my gosh, you cannot see me. So, with that being said, I just came to the hair store. Hello. To get some hair for my hair appointment. Hopefully, I'm gonna get nothing else because the girl ain't said I had to get nothing else. Nope. I'm finna get these shit done. Like, what is going on? What's going on? I'm scared. But yeah, y'all. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to vlog this because like, I really be scared to vlog.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
So as y'all can tell, I'm looking like a baddie. Like a baddie, like a baddie. So right now it's 12:34 and my next appointment is at 2:30. So I will see y'all then.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you.
Okay, y'all, so I know it's really loud in here once again, but I just want to come over here and show y'all, like, I just got done straightening my hair for my hair appointment.
Really, nigga?
But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go to sleep. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm on the way to my hair appointment. So I will see y'all when I get there.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see you.
Voila. Okay, y'all, so the girl just got done with my hair. She did her thing, period. Look at her daddy. I know. Who y'all know? Don't play. She ate it. You can't even tell I got a boss bite. You can't even tell. Y'all girls finna go. Y'all girls are baddie. Oh, baddie. Can't nobody tell me nothing. And it didn't hurt. I'm gonna most have to come at her for any braids to the scalp. Cause it's not even hurting or nothing. But yeah. Y'all, this sadly will conclude my video. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. And make sure to tune in for my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
I said he's so sweet, think I wanna the rapper.